Don't blink now. I know the mirror is broken, but wow. Okay. Actually, Emma, one day people will line up for you. Emma, you're still doing makeup? My princess, think about a real job too. Oh, Mom, it's not just makeup. I'm serious about this. I really am.
Emma, makeup is just a hobby. You can't build a future like that. Yeah, wow. Will you become an influencer? People don't take this seriously.
Wait, why not? Someone has to believe in me, so I'll start with myself. Okay, that hurt. But I'm not quitting. No, I can't. Hey, don't cry, okay? We'll prove them wrong, step by step. Okay, blend slowly. That looks better. I'm not perfect yet, but I'm improving, right? Hey, wow, that glow looks amazing. Actually, you're getting better every single day. Wait, what? Tonight? Oh, wow, Lily, this is my first real client. See? I told you. Don't panic, just be calm and trust your hands.
Where are you going with that kit? Don't tell me someone hired you. Oh wow, first customer already? Let's see how long this lasts.
Yes, someone did. I can't miss this chance. I have to try. Oh, Emma, I worry because I care. But if you're going to do your best, okay? I will, Mom. I won't let this chance slip away. Okay, breathe, Emma. Don't mess this up. It's just makeup. You've done this before, right? Oh, hey, Emma. I'm so glad you came. I want something soft, but also wow, you know? You sure you can do this? Yeah, of course. Don't worry. I'll make it look natural and glowing. Oh no, wait, that looks patchy. Why is it not blending properly? Is everything okay? It feels a little heavy, actually. I'm so sorry. Maybe I should redo it. I don't know why this happened. It's okay, mistakes happen. But I don't have much time. Okay, blend softly, don't rush. It's fine, I can fix this, I have to. It looks better now. Yeah, that side is glowing more. See, I told you. Oh wow, now I love it! Thank you, Emma, I feel confident. Really? I'm so glad. I was scared for a minute there. Wait, what is this? He posted my work and he's laughing? Hey, ignore him, okay? Ryan always jokes like that. Don't let it touch your heart. Maybe Dad was right. Maybe this is just a hobby, not a future. Maybe I'm just forcing this. I don't want people to laugh at me again. Hey, don't decide anything tonight. You're tired and hurt, that's all.
You're back early. So, how did it go?
It was okay. I made some mistakes, and people noticed.
Emma, I don't want you to be hurt. The world isn't kind, especially when you choose difficult paths.
Oh, I know. But if I stop now, I'll hurt even more. Hey, I couldn't stay home. Are you okay or are you pretending again? I was thinking of quitting. I don't want to quit. If I failed once, I'll just learn more. That's it. Oh, that's my girl. Okay, then we work harder, not sadder. Wait, I blended too fast before. I need lighter strokes, softer pressure. Yeah, slow down. Okay. You rush when you're nervous. Just breathe. Like this. Slow circles. My hands are hurting. But actually, this blend looks better. Oh wow, yes. Look at that glow. You're improving already. He's laughing again. But you know what? I'm not angry this time. Oh? So what are you going to do? I'm going to practice more. And next time, I'll let my work answer. See? My hands aren't shaking now. I'm slower, and it looks smoother. Oh wow, that blend is clean. Actually, you look like a professional already. Wait, they need someone right now? Oh, it's a... Hey, this is perfect. You just practice for this moment. I hope this turns out okay.
It will, Emma. We're almost there.
Yeah, I guess. Oh, I'm so nervous. I've never been on stage before. That's okay. Let's make you feel strong first. Makeup can help with that. Oh, wow, I look different. I feel brave now. Thank you. You were brave already. I just helped you see it.
She looks different tonight. She's not scared anymore.
Okay, that went well. I didn't panic this time. Oh, wow, Emma, did you hear that applause? You handled everything so smoothly. I was nervous, but I remembered to breathe and go slow.
Wait, what? People are commenting she's talented? Seems like they see something. Maybe we should too.
Emma? Oh, yes, that's me. Thank you for coming. Thank you, I'm still learning. Would you do my bridal makeup next week? I think you're ready. Wait, bridal makeup? Oh, wow, that's a big responsibility. Yes, it is. But I trust what I saw tonight. You were calm and careful. I need to tell you something. I got a bridal booking.
Oh, a bride? That's wonderful, Emma.
That's serious work. Then you prepare seriously. Emma, I guess I was wrong about you.
Oh, you don't have to say that. I just needed time to grow.
Yeah, I see that now. People online are actually asking for your page link.
This can't be average. It has to be my best work ever. Oh, it will be. You're not the girl with the broken mirror anymore. You're stronger. Oh, it's really happening today. I didn't sleep much, actually. That's normal. Don't worry, we'll go step by step, okay? Soft pressure, slow circles. See? Your skin already looks brighter. Oh, wow, it feels light. I'm not nervous anymore.
Look at her hands. They're steady. She found her path.
Oh, she believed in herself. I'm so proud of her. Oh, wow, I feel beautiful. Thank you, Emma. You gave me confidence. You had it already. I just helped you see it. The mirror was broken, not my dream.